Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. Which of the natural process is spontaneous? And these are the following options given to us. So सबसे पहले हम इस question का key concept देखेंगे. And the key concept of this question is spontaneous process. Spontaneous process. Now जो spontaneous process होता है, it is the type of the process जिसमें कोई external amount of energy required नहीं होती. So for the reaction proceed करने के लिए no external energy is required to start the reaction. And according to the given question we have to choose from the given option जिसमें natural process हो रहा है और वो एक spontaneous process है. Now let us see the given options. A option जो है it says milk से curd का formation हो रहा है. milk से curd का formation हो रहा है and it is said कि after doing the initiation, which means whenever we have to convert milk into the curd, so milk को warm किया जाता है and initiate करने के लिए process small amount of curd mix किया जाता है in this. Then उसके बाद जो भी process होता है वो natural process होता है and कोई भी external amount of energy नहीं चाहिए होती है and that process is the spontaneous in nature. So ये एक spontaneous process होता है. So by this we can say जो हमारे पास ऑप्शन ए है that is in accordance with the question asked, तो ये हमारे पास possible answer है. Now let us see the next option. जो हमारे पास next option है it says कि जो conversion है from the carbon graphite का is converted into the diamond which is also a form of the carbon. diamond में convert हो गया है and temperature is given 25 degrees Celsius and the pressure is given as 1 atmosphere. And ये जो process है this is not spontaneous because this process needs the positive atmospheric pressure at earth's surface to do so. इस बहुत ज़्यादा जो हमारे पास है atmospheric pressure का requirement होता है and earth surface से almost 15,000 इतना times positive atmospheric pressure is needed to proceed this reaction. So ये जो process है this is not the natural process और ना ही एक spontaneous process है. Now next जो हमारे पास process है that is the formation of the water from the hydrogen gas or oxygen gas. Now let us see about this. जब हमारे पास water का formation होता है from the hydrogen gas and oxygen gas से then it leads to the formation of the H2O. This is in the liquid form and for this process इलेक्ट्रिकल डिस्चार्ज की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है सो दैट हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन जो है कन्वर्ट हो जाए इनटू द वाटर. सो दिस इज नॉट द स्पॉन्टेनियस प्रोसेस, नॉट स्पॉन्टेनियस प्रोसेस, ना ही ये नेचुरल प्रोसेस है because it needs the electric discharge that can convert the hydrogen and oxygen gas into the water liquid. Now जो हमारे पास D है ऑप्शन इट सेज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ CrO5 फ्रॉम H2O2 एंड K2Cr2O7 इन बेसिक मीडियम. नाउ लेट अस सी जो हमारे पास रिएक्शन रहता है K2Cr2O7 के लिए सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज Cr2O7 2 negative plus 2H positive H2O2 which leads to the formation of the CrO5 which is the chromium oxide plus H2O. So ये जो हमारे पास reaction है in this reaction acidified जो K2Cr2O7 है this it reacts with the H2O2 and it leads to the formation of this. And for this reaction to be occurred, जो हमारे पास K2Cr2O7 है, that is acidified with the H2SO4. सो अगर हम इस रिएक्शन को कंप्लीट लिखना चाहें, दैट कैन बी रिटन एज K2Cr2O7 which is the potassium permanganate reacted with the sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus H2O2, that is the hydrogen peroxide, which leads to the formation of the CrO5 chromium peroxide जो होता है हमारे पास. Along with this, K2SO4 is formed and amount of the water is released. So ये हमारे पास correct reaction होगा, in which we can see जो H2SO4 है और K2Cr2O7 को जब मिक्स किया जाता है, then the reaction proceeds and it will leads to the formation of the CrO5. So by this we can say ये भी एक natural spontaneous process नहीं है. And from this we can say जो हमारे पास correct answer होगा, that should be option A only. So let us write the final answer of this question, that is the formation of curd from milk after doing initiation. After doing initiation. So let us mark the option A as the final answer. Option B, C and D are incorrect. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.